washed my hair, so ignore this. I just like air dried it or blow dried it, didn't style it. We are going to Ikea, which I'm excited about. The reason why we're going is because I've been seeing this lamp on TikTok and yeah, it's made me buy it. We just love going Ikea, especially the meatballs. Like, it's the best, and like the prices over there are affordable. But this is what I'm wearing. Just wearing this jumper that I got from Korea last year. I love it. It's like a cable knit jumper. I'm just feeling jeans today, something casual, something laid back, and it's really quite windy today, so I don't bother with my hair. Just about to head out. We're actually going on like a double date, and I thought just randomly I just wanted to cut my bangs because I was just kind of feeling something different, and yeah, I was just in the mood to kind of change up my hair for the spring. We'll see how it turns out. I have had bangs previously, but I feel like at the time I wasn't too satisfied with it. I feel like it didn't suit my face shape at the time, but I feel like let me give it a go. But even if it doesn't turn out nice, you know, it's not the end of the world. It does grow back, so hair does grow back. So I'm just gonna try it out and cut my bangs. So just gonna put 3 fingers like that. Okay, it looks a bit crazy right now, but I need to style it and see how it... I think I'll grow to like it, but may need to grow a little... Sorry, that's the mirror. But may need to grow like a centimetre or so. I think I cut it too short, but it will do. Last time I vlogged was like 2 weeks ago when I cut my fringe, and literally we were running late, so I couldn't probably take in the new haircut, but it's kind of grown out in over the 2 weeks, and I kind of like it. I really like it. I really like this new fringe. I love this new look. Yeah, we were in a rush that day, so that's why I couldn't end the vlog properly. And over the past 2 weeks I did some overtime in work. I got a bit ill, and my eyes are still slightly red. I had a swollen, like 2 swollen red eyes, so it's still recovering. So but yeah, that's why I've been a bit quiet over the 2 weeks. So today it's bank holiday. Yesterday was nice and sunny, and today it decided to rain, so we're just gonna have a cozy day out, go to the bookshop, our favorite bookshop, and yeah, so just gonna take you guys along with us. Bye, Bobby. Bobby, come in the umbrella. Come in the umbrella. Huh?
Going to Eat Tokyo.
Eat Tokyo.
One of my favorite restaurants. Very authentic.
We haven't. We haven't eaten yet, so that's our first meal of the day. That is a big plate of katsu. Compare it to that size of my hand.
What have you got? Oh.
So I recently finished reading this. I'm sure you guys already know it's one of those TikTok recommended books. So good. It's like one of those books that are gripping and just like hard to put down. I love the way Huang just writes her books. So I really wanted to get the other version of this in the bookshop, but they didn't have the second version, and of course my hubby went ahead and surprised me. He ordered these on Amazon, so he ordered the rest of the books from this Twisted series, and I've already started reading the second one, which I am obsessed with. I love it. Like, it's really gripping. Like, I'm already almost finished with this one, and yeah, I just can't wait to read like the rest of these, the third one and the fourth one. There's like ups and downs with like TikTok recommended books. This one was one of the ones that I really enjoyed from the TikTok recommended ones. There's this one that was recommended a lot on TikTok. Me personally, I didn't like. It was alright. I liked the ending. The ending was just, yeah, I'm not gonna say much, but I felt like this is just one of those books where I was just like forcing myself to get through it. I felt like there were some bits that were just repetitive. Like, I like books that are really gripping and makes me want to carry on reading. So I'd say this wasn't one of them, but I enjoyed like the glamorous London Gossip Girl sort of thing, but it's just not my thing. With, I don't know, I just didn't enjoy this one as much. Hi guys, so hubby bought this wood sculpt. So he ordered this online, and it's basically like a DIY pottery thing. You can make all sorts of stuff, so like mugs, vases. We've always wanted to do like some pottery sort of thing, and I feel like this is like so perfect, like at home date idea, especially if you don't have like a pottery place nearby you and you just want to like take your time and like have like a at home sort of date idea. I love handmade stuff, like stuff you can't buy in the shop, like unique pieces. So I thought this is such a great chance to make something for like our home, maybe like a nice little sculpture or like a bowl or something unique. So yeah, I'm just excited to get creative. I love anything creative, artsy fartsy. But yeah, I'm just going to show you guys what comes inside it. White paint, varnish, and this is like a sponge. It's just you smooth it over once you
think that's a
update on what we've made. So this is like 3-4 days later, how it looks. So I basically tried to make like a shell shaped vase. So this is basically like a candle holder that I made with like a heart shaped handle, and this one is like mine and my hubby's one. It's like a trinket little tray, little trinket dish heart shaped, and it's got N heart N, our initials. And then this is my hubby's one, so he's made like 2 little cups, very cute, and he's gonna try paint like some anime characters on there. So yeah, we're just gonna paint it today.